What happened?
Hey guys.
You heard that story, right?
Hi.
Oh, it's over here. You heard that story, right?
What story?
Wait, what's your name?
Say hi. What do you have to say?
Happy I'm getting reach.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm also happy I didn't get a lead, so it's scary.
What about you?
It's good that it was a tiny leech.
Yeah, all yours. What are you happy about today?
I'm very happy to be in nature. It's a lovely day.
Honestly, what about you?
I'm very happy to be in the water.
Great.